Welcome to LTL Galvanizers Private Limited. We are thrilled to share our latest milestone in infrastructure excellence: the fabrication, hot-dip galvanizing, painting, and installation of 6 Met masts, each with a height of 100 meters. This ambitious project, contracted by the Ceylon Electricity Board, showcases our expertise in turnkey solutions. From initial design and fabrication to final installation, every step was meticulously planned and executed by our dedicated team. Our journey begins with the fabrication of the Met masts. Utilizing cutting-edge technology and industry-leading practices, we ensure each component is crafted to perfection. Next, we protect these towering structures with our state-of-the-art galvanizing process. This critical step ensures long-lasting durability, safeguarding against corrosion and environmental wear. To enhance both aesthetics and protection, each mast undergoes a thorough painting process. Our skilled craftsmen apply high-quality coatings, providing an additional layer of defense and a striking visual appeal. The culmination of our efforts is the installation phase. Our team works tirelessly, coordinating complex logistics to erect these 100-meter-high giants, ensuring stability and precision at every level. We are proud to stand at the forefront of infrastructure development in Sri Lanka. These Met masts symbolize not just engineering prowess but also our unwavering commitment to excellence. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Stay tuned for more updates and witness the future of infrastructure unfold with LTL Galvanizers Private Limited.